Good morning guys. Good afternoon. So, padayon kita. We will be on LP6. So, I've already updated the constants. So, naman ako give to students. So, I already gave you formulas and tables. Medyo pamputangan ko ng iba. Ano ba may sulod na da? Kita na lang niyo boys. Naka LP sira. Tapos kita na lang dito ha drive. Ipapasa ko la balik ang drive. Okay? So, again, kuang ko na ini. Again, update. Okay, so adik kita di chemistry of water and then ano pa ba? Nga di ani kita siguro ha reading. Actually ang reading gindugangan ko gudihen kanan equilibrium. Readings iniya. For finals, so we'll start with chemical equilibrium. So dami niya. So kita na lang ini basa again the concepts. So sa-summarize ko lang siguro ito importante ha computation ini din eh. Summarize and then of course, I will just be focusing on the computational aspects. So because I do believe you've also had this in your high school, mga storya. Okay? So you read those terms and I hope, I pray that you will be reading. If not, at least you should understand the terms that is written there. Okay? Because that's for your own good, of course. Okay, so basically, as I can paraphrase, some books usually talks about equilibrium in 3 chapters, some at least in 2. I think in our case, it only has 1. Um, of course, because the author is also thinking what could be the application it on engineering. But I also have my take on this with respect to the application to the engineering sciences and of course to the allied one. Because as an engineers, we will be faced with some scientists, practitioners from other fields of sciences. Okay, so I can summarize actually this into maybe I can open what maybe paint as a blackboard because I'm just recording. I'm not doing online. It will be heavy for my CPU. So this just of course recorded. But if you really wanted to have an online face-to-face what they call this synchronized, actually I can do that. But I just prefer the not synchronized or the what we call this the pwede la bisan kasano ni access because it would be comfort. I mean, waray kita pressure, 'di ba? Ang problema kasihan synchronize or nga tanang kita diri nga tanan nasulod and then they will have the may datnera reason nga sir may internet sir wala kami load. So to avoid those because may damang kita mga chance maka-load siguro kita and then with respect to videos of course naa matatong pan-supply hit mga sigin waray klase-klase. Of course ngano sa gyapon nga pag mitigate hin diri ta matapos sa syllabus. Okay? So actually I can summarize this chapter LP6 into two general. So kung may daman to dito iba lagpasin eh nga I mean computation niya akong gin-discuss. So focus lang kamo ta akong nag-discuss. More or less sa summary kay amo lang tag bibilngon. As a matter of fact dito at midterm moray na gud ako mag focusan colligative properties though I discussed it because some sections medyo kulang gud amon meetings face to face. So bangin anyway damo man pwede ko ipakyana. Okay? Lot of coverage so pwede ko lahiya i-limit ha computation niya side. But of course on the concept nga side gibubulig ko gitira as much as possible so that you should really read because magbabalik-balik lang ini as you go along with your career. Okay? So I can summarize as far as I'm concerned this LP6 into 2 words or categories. The first one is about I don't know if I will maybe I can start with KSPs because there are a lot of some books started with acids and bases but some books starts with solubility products and then they just don't go into real details bagan sa ditira because actually mas makuri iton KSPs with respect to mathematical jargon. Pero damo lutit imo concept sa imo acids and bases because acids and bases is you can most aton environment, air, water, soil, there are acids and bases reaction. Okay, while for KSPs, so they are only concerned with water and then your ionic substances. Okay? Ionic substances. So Amatia. But the concept is similar in a sense that you should know or you should have had kinetics before. Kinetics is the kalaksihan chemical reaction. So you have the time element to it. Okay? Okay. So I can summarize it into two. Maybe I can start with KSPs because tapos nakitaan aton kuan KSP. Yeah, KSP stands for, or actually, this is the discussion about solubility products. This is about solubility products. So we have already table of solubilities wherein we have already identified what compounds are soluble in water and what compounds are not soluble. So these KSPs are for those who are not soluble, who are insoluble. Because as we can observe them, oh, of course, for those 1 and 2 first. One is KSP, solubility products, and the other one is about acids and bases. Okay? Acids and bases. So I will just limit on my perspective on my take what would be the applications of this. I mean, this is also a medyo general or broad nga topic. So, iglilimit ko lang ya itong pagkita ko magagamitan itong mga engineers as they interact with some professionals. Okay. So, KSPs, solubility products, I can now, of course, solubility products talks about the insoluble ones. Maybe I could divide solubility products kasi gihapon iton mga soluble, of course. Pero diri ito hira concern ha computation. Why? Because they could just be lumped into a constant, just like density. So for solubility products, yes, solubility products gihapon ito yung mga soluble and we can observe them really. That's why we don't have a problem with them. Soluble, they have a table of course, but usually the sciences or the chemistries doesn't focus on the soluble because that's all. You have the grams per ml, usually in grams per ml, soluble or solubility. Bahay kasi malipat, of course, during my time, nalilipat akin eh. Ano ba kunik hininira? Labi na libro kasi pubulag la inira pag-discuss or di rin naging discuss ano sa. So, solubility or solubilities, may table niya. Papakita ko na lang niya or gin-update ko na dito na aton gaton akong gimpasa iyo. So usually may units lang niya in terms of gram per ml. So example ini of course may dinakamo table luwatan na sod na dissolve. Let's say sodium chloride, a common ionic substances which is encountered at home. Sodium chloride. So iniya, I think the sodium chloride is 360 if I'm not mistaken ha. Kaya I cannot memorize also this one. 360 grams per ml. So, for example, because maybe I might be wrong with this, this is a constant, a solubility for your soluble sodium chloride and natutunaw. So, meaning you can put 360 per liter. I think this is per liter. Gutendorot ml. So, 360 grams or that is 0.360 kilogram. That's a lot. I think quantity yakada mo. Ang mga tungam baso, bangin, or mga gurguti. How sa kalitro. You can do that. If I'm not mistaken again with the constant because papamilin ko pa na kung yung pasaliwat. Ay, diretso lang niya akong concept-wise man lang niya. So, 360 kilograms per liter. And that's quite a lot. When you talk about the non-soluble products, because you can observe this, of course, that 360 grams, you can measure it. It's a lump one. It's an ample one, and then you put it in a liter of water, and then maybe you can mix it. But if you will not mix it, actually, the equilibrium for that matter will be just long, of course. So again, the concept of equilibrium is you have to take time for that to happen, for a chemical reaction to happen. Okay? So, kung mga maglaksi, amo ito na aton mga discussion na di nga tag-usa ka araw. Just like this one, sodium chloride is a soluble one. Bisan diri mo tiya kutawon, matutunaw itiya, kaya lang madugay. Meaning, the solubility will take time. I mean, the equilibrium will take time. Kaya of course, ano yung equilibrium kasi, nalaksi ito ya with stress. The stress, alito tiyo Le Chatelier's principle. Kay stress kasi, dahil may control kita. For example, we can add heat, we can add steering, di ba? We can add bubbling out. There's a lot of ways for us to generate or to control the solubility. I mean, for that equilibrium to happen. So that's the right term, the equilibrium. So basically, if you go to equilibrium, di na kasi hindi discuss because it is understood nga natutunaw ito era. And then equilibrium will usually reach mas malaksi, of course. But for the insoluble products, maybe we can pull out our insoluble, the solubility products. Let's go to the things that I have given you. The tables and constants, I think. Solubility. Yes, this one. Those that are soluble and insoluble. Let's say for example insoluble, you have this one, sodium phosphate Na3PO4. Sodium phosphate Na3PO4. Na3PO4. If you have a 1 gram of this, the fact that they are insoluble, you can see that nothing will happen. But actually, something is happening. Okay? But we just cannot see it. But we just cannot observe it directly. We can observe it, of course, by measuring things on the water itself. Okay? So we can represent this guy, sodium chloride, dissociating into sodium and chloride. Sodium chloride, usually they put solid here. And then you put one arrow here. Okay? Importante ini pagkatot sa unit of force for us to understand what really is happening. Okay? Because sa representation, makikita mo dayon if they are talking about soluble products or insoluble ones. Sir, insoluble ba sir? Nasa tunaw. Kaya mo nga, hindi ta kasi na-observe. That's why we say that is insoluble. But actually, there are atoms that are dissolved in water. Water lang tating inusoryan na, iba pa ini kung iba nga solvent. But usually, for application-wise, common talaga at water. Thanks. Main naman ka. Magamay. Okay. So, we can represent sodium chloride into NaCl. Sorry. Na, because we have, pabalik tayo natin ginhimo, table of ions. Okay? Adi nga table of ions. Sana to. Table of, inhera, nga mga table of ions. So, kung waray ini magsukso kayo ulo, you really have, parang na napakiana pa dito midterm, about hini. So, medyo waray ito mag-sink in na iya. Kasi siguro nito, waray siguro yung magpakiana, or kung nagpakiana man niya, di nakakaintindi, and then, bangin rin magbasa. Or kung nagbasa na lewat, para makakaintindi. So, wala kita time maghungit-hungitay, you really have to level up your game on this. Because, saring ko pa man, ma-stop lang ako kung may napakana. Kung wala, I do believe, nakakaintindi ka mo. Okay? Siguro may pagkamalaksi ako, I do believe in that. Ang problema lang kay, damo kasi ini ko. Di nga nagmaglaksi, diri ko ini matatapos. Again, ginsusunod ko lang itong kananchet. Ngan, wala kita hungit-hungitay. So, usang ang mga reklamo akong bata, and I hope you will also do that. So, pagpa-evaluate ko kayo, kaya mapa-evaluate ako takong performance. So, just be honest. Ibubutang ko tiyang, i-sure ko nga diri ka mo masasabtan kung hinuan magre-rate akon. Because I really need that. Okay? Ngayon, bisa na iyo ibang maestro. Ibang maestra. You really have to rate them honestly. Ang problema laliwat, kasi syempre, maaram ako nahadlok ka mo. Bangin kasi nakakita iyo maestro, hinun nagre-rate. So, iba na itong istorya. Diri na ito akong basa. On my concern, magpapa-evaluate ka kayo, maghihim akong pamaagi nga, because I will just do it online. Pero, of course, i-minimize na ito paghataghin email ad. Pero actually, dito akong wall, gintanggal ko na ito nga provide kamihin email ad. I don't know, kung matuod ka mo ako, sige la. Kaya ipapaprove ko palot ng cancer. I-explain ko lot mechanism about pagpa-evaluate ako. But anyway, so balik na kita. So, sodium chloride, this is soluble, natutunaw niya. So, that's why we will represent it in one arrow. So, pabaliktad ang aton, sodium is 1 plus and then you have your chloride to be another ion. So, meaning, as long nga diri kay ni gumawa, hit imo usa ka litro, the amount of this sodium chloride will make sodium and chloride. That happens. That will happen. Okay? But of course, sumubra ka ito ay iya, of course, diri mo na tiya matutuno. Baga na yan insoluble. Nakita niyo? So that also happens when you have a saturated solution. Saturated solution nga ni kasi, tunawon mo nga ni niya sa kalitro, we call it a saturated solution. Meaning, it kaya makaptan nitong tubig na soluble products. Okay? Masayo ni niya concept kon adi kay iton soluble liwat. Okay, kung natutunaw mo tiya, nakikita taman tiya. So we have those terms, saturated, unsaturated, anganin, supersaturated. Actually, pwede kayo nilumagpas, but again, you have to add stress on it. Maybe heat, maybe steering. Pero again, if you will put it in a room temperature, magbalik yung equilibrium, kay may stress ka man, pagbalik niya equilibrium, makikita nimo nga an imo sobrang again butang, let's say 363. Actually, pwede pa tiya matunaw. Labi na kung bubutangan nimong stress. Di ba nga stress kasi, di kita nakita. So, pwede ka pitiya matunaw nga waray ka stress ng bubutang, pero may stress sa environment. Di ba? Sa amin it mga because. So, it should play on your mind too. So, let's say, 370 na lang. 370. Yes, 370 grams in 1 liter may still be dissolved, but again, you have to put stress on it. At ito iyo, barsaon, kita ito Lichet-Terliers principle. Sa amin ito na hinabo. Okay? May stress la. So, we call it a supersaturated now. Kung nakahimo kayo ni, we call it a supersaturated solution. And this one is, kung sakto lang niya solubility, we call it a saturated solution. Tapos, kung kulang nga niya ni mo gintunaw, let's say 100 gram in 1 liter, we call it an unsaturated solution. Meaning, pwede pa hiya magkapot. Diri pa hiya puno. Saturated is puno. Di ba? Concentrated. We have that term. Diri lang concentrated term kay iba man itong concentration hay mo saturated kay may damala niya katapusan nga matutunaw. So, amit ang mga concept. Okay, so we can represent it like this. While for this, dir natutunaw, we should represent it like this. Na3PO4, again, that is solid again. Bisa tanggalon lang natin mga solid. I think solid kapit rin bubutang din eh. So, mabalik kita table of ions and makikita natin itong sodium just like this one that is Na+. Pero makikita natin tutuloy ra ibabalance ito ya. Yes. Tapos iniya, this is insoluble, duha ka araw ito ibubutang din ni. Duha ka araw niya, papaliwanag ko. So, you have Na and you have PO4. Di ini na makikita. Adot iyo table of ions. Nga aminit imo phosphate, aminit imo Na. Okay, so you can actually do that. Because ang atong ginimo na, di pabaliktad, di pakadi kita, tapos gibabalance ta. Amo gapin eh, but, di ba, asing kita, mag-combine kita in sodium. Ano't ngaran niton? Sodium phosphate. Gingangaranan na listeners, makita ka sodium Na plus, tapos makita ka phosphate, PO4 negative 3. So, maaram ka nga magiging 3 iniya. Adi, magiging PO4 la. So, that's why you have your sodium phosphate. Okay, amo gapit na inabuhi ni. Kaya lang din igbabalance siya. So, di mga times 3. And then for the phosphate, you already have multiplied by 1. So, these are the soluble. This is the insoluble. So, iton iya ini mga sugarin niya compound may dako gin-download sa internet gimbutang ko dito iyo mga tables kay adiman ay there nga na siya LP6 chemistry solubility table yan inihira man no. So amin na ron mga natutunaw. So adin ira gram per ml. Let's see for calcium sodium chloride. Na-memorize kasi bangin sayo pa ko sir. Ato wari nga ni sodium chloride didi. Adi man sodium chloride. So that is 29.2. So sayo pa ko. So 30 nakaabot ng 30 din ako kanet or 36. So I was wrong. That is just 29.2 grams per ml. So I think kita ko na hinumdumi na ang kanan ko ngayon ppm. Hanimo ka ng dagat. So, just bear in me, okay? So, this one is actually 29. Daring and 360, 29 la. So, that is damot yan duro. So, 29. So, gutela. 29 mga sa kalitro, mga kuan line eh. Dua ka kutsara, mga so dito. 29 gram per ay, sorry, per 100 ml. Ay, so okay gyapon. So, that is 290. So, tama. Hirani. 209 at 29. Ay, damo nga nga. Sorry, sorry, sir. That is, ay na itong table. Where was that? For sodium chloride, di man? Sodium chloride, that is 29.2. Ini man niya, mga figure. Gram per 100 ml. Sorry. So, that is 29.2 gram per 100 ml. So, kung karoyag natin 1 liter, 1 liter is magiging 1,000 iti, madusog kita didi. So, that is 292. So, di rin nga ako hirayo. 360 kasi naging butang. So, gram per liter. So, that is the solubility. Ha? So, puro pareho yung posturahan density, ha? So, dapat maaram kita, yan na, dirla ini unit na. So, we have to add to our vocabulary. Nga, puro pareho yung density natin mga gas, gram per volume. But this is talking about solute in a solution. Solubility, ang natutunaw. Ang natutunaw. Nga probably, pwede tiya concentration na gabito ya. Kaya lang, ano yung katapusan niya concentration? Kutob nga di rin na yung matutunaw. You see the concept? Okay? I hope you do. So, that is the solubility. While for this one, ang mga insoluble, iba it irritable. Okay? A table niya is we call it KSP. And amo ito't aton concern lahin nga chapter. Kita ko kung may dahin application solubility, masabi man lang niya, bagan concentration man latiya nga problem about this one. But for this one, there is another story for this. So, may I pull out the constant for those? It is covered in the table of solubility sa demand. May dako gimbulag, may dagin usa. Kita na la. Solubility products. So, i-double check na lang niyo kung baga di ba't natutunaw. Ionization of weak acids. Ganoon na ko ang acids and base. Inera. Acidization constant, solubility product constant. So, this is the table for your, let's try. Ano na akong example ayo? That is sodium phosphate. So, kato natin phosphate. Sodium phosphate. Oh, waray. Bayan na di maghimo kita na nader. Ako na la. Ini nga, nickel carbonate. Ini na la. So, again, nickel carbonate. May waraya dito. So, nickel, tapos CO3. So, nickel, NiCO3. Okay? And iba ito iya table, tapos diri sugar ito iya interpretation kay table. I-table it niya, we call it KSP. Kaya lang medyo laro iton explanation niya KSP. So, the KSP for NiCO3 is 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7. 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7. Actually, KSP, waray iti unit. Kaya tungo dito tiya definition. Hinaynayon ta. So, ngadian na kita pag-represent ni. So, we can represent NiCO3. So, in terms of chemical reaction or dissolution, we call it dissolution. Nakatuto niyo terms actually. In 2 arrows. Usually 2 arrows itiya. Basta insoluble. And then you have your nickel. I think your nickel is, kita niyo dito table of ions. Your nickel, kita ko nalat carbonate. Your carbonate is negative 1. So, negative 1. So, therefore, your carbonate it should be a negative 1, and this, your nickel, I mean, is a positive 1. Positive 1. Okay? So that's how you write, and then you put your KSP for this. Usually niya ha, mga KSP nga discussion, bubutang niya mo 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7. So actually, the discussion here is what is that KSP? Okay? Didi kasi masayon, we call it solubility. Pero didi actually, this is a product. This one is, that's why we call it the solubility products, because that is also the products of the concentrations. The products of the concentrations of the products and reactants. Okay. Oh, paano? Yan. So, the way we do this is because of these two arrows. Hinira. This one is a forward reaction. This one is a backward. So, siring naton ha, equilibrium kasi, di ba pag soluble products, na-establish mo tiya as long na diri umabot tiya, diri lumagpas tiya saturation point. So, meaning, may da kay to usa ka arrow, meaning may da kay to forward reaction. Pero wala kay to backward. Okay, that's why usa life ka arrow. But for the substances undergoing insoluble ones, actually what happens kay ano diri nato nakikita or gutelan duro. Actually gutelan duro na observe because at a certain point, which is the equilibrium, some of the products will go back to the reactants. That's why it's a double arrow. Ngan ito hira nga pagkadto ha product at pagkadiha reactant, nababalance iti raha gintatawag na again that word equilibrium. Meaning with respect to time. Kay di man lang ito time, kay iba-iba man ang era time and pag-react. Okay, that's why for generality we call it equilibrium. But actually, involved ito dida ang kalaksyan imo chemical reaction, which is the forward reaction versus the backward. When both of these reactions in terms of kadamo nga ginihimo nga product nga ginihimo nga reactants mag-equal na, the forward is equal to the backward, we call it now the equilibrium. That's the concept of equilibrium again. Meaning may time niya element. Probably malaksity probably madugay. But karsingon la, nga ito yung nga duduwa nga reaction, the forward and the backward is happening at the same rate. Rate ito ya rate. That is mole per second. Ano ito mole? Di ba mole is kadamuhan mo particles? Di ba? Per second. So pag mag-equal na ito era, we call that process equilibrium. Ngan iba-iba ito kada compound. And that's why, of course, kada compound may danira iton KSP. Okay? Amon hira nga mga table. The table of mga kulang sa pansin. Di kasi hira gimpapansin, that's why gimpapansin ta na hira. Kaya naghimuhiran era table. Or I was kidding last side. So mga KSP ni hira. Okay? Mathematically actually, your KSP is just the KSP is the K of the forward. The K of the forward, yes, the forward over the K of the backward. Bangin sa'yo kasi kini. Basahan na lang dito. Kaya wala na kini basa-basa. Control C. It malak sila yun, meaning the amount of product over the amount of reactant. Gindi-divide hira. And that is your KSP at equilibrium. Ito yan na inabo. Okay? Meaning, ang pag-represent liyo mo product, may dito niya another law. At I don't know kung adin nga aton chapter, but I guess adi. Kaya usa man lang ka chapter naton equilibrium. Hini nga book nga aton ginagamit. But of course, I will be using other books to supplement. Kaya medyo na kukulangan ako niya discussion. Mga sa dito. In terms of course, computation and concept, retain lang kita book para anyway, concept man latiya. Again, explain ko naman. Di man niya sugad ka kore. Makore ayo siguro pag tikang. Pero as you read, kaya gitikang ko na dapat malaksi na ito ha iyo. Of course. Diba? Ang mga engineer, kita rin yung mga kasit ng mga dati. Kita, kakaintindi ito. Asyang na nagkikita lagi or nagpabasa. Anyway, bahala ka mo. Kaya di ka makamubutan kung di ka magbasa. So actually, iti mo kasi pag represent nga forward nga reaction, let's say K, is actually mas low ito ya, mas low. Meaning gin mo multiply naton kung piperatada, adi kayo sala. So usalaya itiya kahin kumbaga forward or kinetics niya, bagan may time. Kaya ang time kasi, of course, divide man or pareho man nahira nga time. Sa amin ton, to be safe, ini kasi products, mo multiply ni mo ya, law of mass action. Ani mo nickel nga molarity, ngan an molarity han imo carbonate. So ganito tayo pag-represent ha, product nga side. Ada sulod din niya, ada sulod. So yan, nickel nga ning carbonate. Tapos didi of course, adi nga ubos didi an imo reactant. So, product over reactant. It imo ito formula ito imo KSP. Product over reactant. So, this one, you will have a guy here, nickel carbonate. So, again gin-account na naton kay didi nga side, han aton mga natutunaw, your reactant will not exist. It will not exist at equilibrium. Basta dili ka pala magpositira solubility. Di mo na tira makikita. Samantala nga makikita mo yan na. Or may datiya presence talaga dida. Kaya tim nakikita nga ni puro lang niya. Of course, kaya di mo makikita yun kay nakadissolve naman. Okay? So, tigam niya, minute KSP, nga nag-experiment dito nira, it value ini, amo na ini. So, maybe you can say, 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7. So, that's why we're a unit because this is understood iti ang animaton product over reactant. Danay mag-iba it unit kaya di mole. Okay, imagine na daw mole per liter niya, adi mole per liter, adi mole per liter. So kung kasilon mo, may dapat salin nga mole per liter. So meaning case kung bubutangan mo talaga yung unit, nag-iiba-iba ra kung ha, nag-iiba-iba ra ha unit. Tanglit wa rin nala unit, basta maaram kita nga product itiya over reactant. Ako nito take ha, warakit makabasa. I do believe ginsugad nira. Kaya of course, kuwang ko ka mo. Kaya na nag-iiba-iba ni sir. Mamili kita na example. Kaya nga ako example na nakuha. Medyo, ini NiOH2. Ini nickel hydroxide. Ini. Pwede niya. Nickel hydroxide. So, ganun istorya. So, insoluble niya. Nickel hydroxide. Sida sir, double check tada sir kung insoluble. Hydroxide, nickel. Table of solubilities. Hydroxides. Pabiligan niyo mo na hydroxides. Naman. So, soluble, waray didi nickel. As you can see, waray didi nickel. So, meaning, nickel is insoluble. Kita niyo? Saan mo tiya may separate ang table? Okay. So, ini, re-represent natin kay insoluble ya into 2 arrows. Yan na. Sir, kaya nagsusugot kita ito, sir. Importante niya for concept-wise. But anyway, kung pagkita niyo yung importante, sige la. Pagka ito computation naman, di ka makakaintindi. Labi na ako nagbabasa ka mo libro. But anyway, kung makaintindi ka mo takong kinayakan, so good. Good for you. Okay? Kaya ginuwinaray ko man. Talaga, iba talaga, diri ko naman nayakan kay thinking na nayakan ko na nga tanan. Amo mong good kabutang. Okay? Aso nga waray may napakiana. Tapos yan na, online pagod. So, waray may makapakiana. So, you have your nickel OH2. We will represent this in terms of Ni nganhin OH. Diba? Kaya lang, ini nga OH, that should be multiplied. OH negative, nickel is positive 2 here. So, this part here, nickel is a positive 2. Didi, nickel is a positive 1. So, meaning, nag-iba pa niya yung oxidation state. Yun. So, sir, paano ka matakasabot, sir? Kaya waran mo kami, added a periodic table liwat. Bagan, tikanto kita. Diba? Warak maghatag kasi ang positive kaya nag-iiba-iba ito tira balance. May dala ito niya balance rules. But anyway, hai mo kasi ayon kaya nagbabalance ka man. Naiparo ka na dayon. Ano ito nga nickel nga ginistoryahan kung diri hira ngaranan. Ato kasi una, ngaranan ta talaga ito nga nickel 2. Adi nga usa. Yan na kay baliktad naman, di man kita't maaram. Masasabtan tayo, pinaagyan ira mga charge. Kaya pabaliktad kasi kita. So this one actually, naging ngaranan ta niya nga nickel 2, may sugad. Adiya, we call it nickel 1. May din niya 1. Yan na, kay pabaliktad man kita, nasabtan naton nga positive 1 because your carbonate is a negative 1. balance naman ito ira basta compound. Can you get the hang of it? Amin ni reverse ya. Ngan iba it iya bagan matutugkop talaga ira nimo. Kung kaya ni mo na hunay nira. So ganito ya. Kaya masahe mo ito una, may table lang kita, ini pabaliktad. May table ini gumamit eh. Gumamit nga yung table. Pero bagan wide spectrum na yan, kaya iba-iba na nga table di mo na imagine dapat sa pagkaya na. Now, kung suga din niya, ma-multiply kayo ni din ni mato. Kaya babalance mo man din eh. Diba? Actually, pwede mo gamit yung imagine nun, nga suga din niya. To positive, usa nga OH, ngan plus usa nga OH. Ini, ginto usa talahera. Pero actually, kasi ganito, duha nga OH. That's why suga dito iya. Nga na mo hindi proper nga pag-notate ta iya. 2 OHs. 2 OH. Now, kita ano din eh. Di ba product ini din eh? So therefore, it KSP ni niya would be like this. Nickel concentration, din molarity niya mole per liter. Tapos, OH, tapos OH. So, amin ni nagiging OH squared. Ada na ito dito nag-iba. Kaya mo multiply kasi. That's why, makita na kita in may mga squared, cube. Depende. Kung ano, di ba? Naka-imagine ka mo, na times 3 kita, na times 2. So, mo gapit may hinabo. Ito yan na nga times, magiging power ito yan na. Magiging add to ya igpaw. So, I hope you can connect ha. Amo ito tiya connect. So, makikita niyo nga nag-squared na ini. Sir, ano man sir kung masahe mo na ito? Malipong na tiya pag ito compute. Adi kan malipong. Basta nakakaintindi na ka mo. Kaya pag ito libro kasi, dana, hindi ka mo nakakaintindi. Kaya damo durot para sa on. I do believe in that. Kaya mo nga hindi na nagbabasa, good kay ito, nakakaintindi na lagi eh. Magbasa nga niya, kung nakikita ko, kada damon explanation. Damon storya. Amin to, istorya eh. Kay, of course, na-try man tiya pag spoon feed. Kung magbabasa ka iya, kay wari ka naman maestro. Okay, amin gamit maestro. Dito ay mo book. Kung correct mo talagang details, at ito books. Or probably, makikita kan iba-iba nga mga videos nga damo. Kita niyo. Samantalang kung ano tagin siya rin nga nga book, amo tiyo basahon. So, focus siya. Kaya di makit magawas liot nida. Nakita niyo? I don't know. Basta, I do believe. So, ganito siya dalagan. Tapos, of course, you have your NaOH2 concentration. So, ganito pag-represented kay SP, nga experiment na ninira, nga amo ito hiya ini nga value. Ini nga nickel hydroxide 6 times 10 to the negative 6. So, bubutangan natin ya 6 times 10 to the negative 6. Wara unit. So, that is now your KSP. So, wara pa kita mag-auto computation na, paliwanag ko lang itira paano pag-balance, paano tira postura, ano tiya concept. Okay? Kakatalan ay para diri masyado madugay. So, sasummarize ko ulit whole ko nga i-compute para malaksi. Tapos, maaramlot ka mo dito kung ano nga mga actually, kaya dito habok kasi, naghatag pa tayo mga magsurusayan. Na kung ang pinakamit ini dayon. The Ka space and the acids and bases. Diretso, ang pinakamit niya, kumbaga, dito libro, of course, mga details. So that's why I am encouraging you, may na kita barasahon, atot details. Okay? So I'll just cut because Ka space nga di kita ha, acids and bases. Ngayon, of course, wala pa kita mag-compute. Pag tingnan pa man la. So kaya wala mang klase, of course, nag-explain ako kung may klase kita, of course, nagsisinol block ko dapat. I mean, kung nag-iima akong video, usually, mga solve ko lang ito yan. Pero yan na, nagtra-try na ako pag-iimo yung mga videos nga nag-i-explain. Kay, of course, kay nag-inad sinon man, nag-inad sinon. Uda mo matwaray klase nga time. Makuri man mag-inulat ako kasi mag face-to-face before mag-explain. Diba? Oh, yan. Thank you guys for listening. Next is acids and bases.